Boleh minakakai? Boleh. Pala. How's the air that you breathe this week?
Too good that song, man. Lovely, man.
It's so good that we are now, instead of grog, we are having our nice cup of tea.
Just have some tea today, eh?
Tona kana lili waktu main nanti, Bob.
Nunggu, lamu bolam.
Iya.
Apa angka sila lamu katua naking gokai? Yang ama, eh?
Iya.
Iya.
Misi.
Ya, nunggu dapat go ikai.
So tala request lah kumai.
Iya, request cuma Edili may nabwa. Request tim cuma ama Lady in Red. Ocha kesakyan saltino yang area ya. Apa sih ni Elton John?
The original sin.
So sa area mo Eddie usama tu ni okay set. Tu apa mantasir ni dedicate TV Eddie. This one's for you. With the dedication irona apa ini kai. Dedication man de tu eh.
Iya.
So dedication la cuming gue dedicated to sharing bi Edward Lee and Merlita and the crew of Nabwa, Anaconda Town, Nabwa.
And we also thinking of all those hardworking staff of Water Authority, yeah?
Oh yes.
They've been working hard, making sure that we have drinking water in our taps. So we just have to thank them also. They've been following us also. But having said all that, Simi, we've been working quite hard over the last few weeks, putting songs together for everybody. We've got quite a following now. I'd just like to shout out to all the people who send through their likes, their shares, and all these things. We've always said this is a fun project and it will remain a fun project for us. So enjoy this particular song, The Original Sin.
Stringing lights around you, hanging paper angels, painting little devils on the roof. Oh, the furnace winds is the flickering of wings about your face. In a cloud of incense, yeah, it smells like heaven in this place.
Fly the moment that you open up your eyes. A dream is just a window, goes from every corner of your life. Up in the balcony, all the Romeos are bleeding for your hand. Blowing theater kisses, reciting lines they don't understand. I can eat, I can sleep, still I hunger for you when you look at me. That face, those eyes, all the sinful pleasures deep inside. Tell me how you little sea.